Vande Gurum children. Yesterday we learned that the general form of the linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And what we learned yesterday was when an equation is given like this, we will not directly use the transposition method. Instead, we will assume the value for x and find the value for y to find the solution for the equation. We also learned that the solution will exist as ordered pair and the ordered pair will be marked in the Cartesian plane. And what was the learning yesterday? Yesterday's learning was the linear equation in two variable will have infinitely many solution. For every value of x, there will be corresponding value of y. And I told you that you will always select numbers between -3 and 3 for easy calculation. Today what we are going to learn is how to represent this linear equation graphically. That is, graphically means first with the assumption method we will find the solution. The solutions are ordered pair. Then we are going to mark these solution in the graph sheet. So when the question is represent the equation graphically means you have to do all the workout on the rear side of the graph, and then in the graph you have to mark the point, join the point and see what shape or what line, what type of line you get. Here I have, for the example, I have taken the equation x plus 2y is 6. With the assumption method, see first I have taken x as 0. Then the value of y will be 3. When I take x as 2, then 2y is 4. Then the value of y is 2. All these workout you can do in the rough column. So when you are doing this, always for one value take x as 0 and for one value take y as 0. And I have taken all the positive even number. Why I didn't take an odd number in x? Because if I take x is equal to 1, then what will happen to the equation? You will get the value of y as 5 by 2. There is nothing wrong in it. If you are very confident that in your graph 5 by 2 is 2.5, I will be able to mark it correctly. Then you can use that also. Here, see, this is the thing. In your graph, it is mandatory to mark like you worked with the Cartesian plane x, x dash, y dash you need to mark. You have to write the scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. See, it will not be 100% up to the mark, children, because freehand drawing I have done. So for the solution, I have just marked this. And when I join it, could you see I got a straight line because linear equation. What is meant by linear equation? Linear is line. The equation will represent a line. If there is only one solution, what will happen? If there is only one point in the Cartesian plane, if you mark only one point, you will be able to draw infinitely many lines through that single point. Then you will not know which line represent the equation given. So to represent it graphically, at least we need how many solution? 2 solution is compulsorily needed. That is why we are just taking some 4 or 5 solution and then we are marking it on the graph and we are connecting them by the line. And what is the definition of line, children? A line is made up of infinitely many points. That is why we tell the linear equation in two variable has infinite number of solution. So any point apart from this 4 point, any other point, there may be a point lying here also. Even that will also be a solution of the equation. So when you mark this, it is compulsory to write the point, the ordered pair, and also see for the line I have drawn 2 arrows in the both end because that only tells us that it is a line, straight line, and below that line it is mandatory to write the given equation. So this is the graphical representation of a linear equation in two variable.